You will love the features of this 2016 Jeep Renegade. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Renegade, the small SUV with iconic heritage, bold design, smart technology, and a penchant for off-road adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the energy of adventure when you're behind the wheel of the Renegade. Test drive it today.